This is complete WordPress form builder. So this name is magic form. So we have made it test and you can check. This is also the default bot blocking or any type from bot submitting automatically blocked. Here is need to fill up all data. Then you can see this enabled, otherwise this is the disabled. So any type of bot never can be attacked here. So fact that automatically detected, and here is another form 2 plus 9. So simple math, if you click for not engaging, so putting every data, putting all data, then you can see that when you 7 wrong dial and submit it, so automatically show the spam production failed, the math answer is incorrect. So we have to provide the math answer 2 plus 7 equal 9. Then you can click again show wrong data, so put the actual answer and submit it. No success. And then comes here the magic form entry. Here will show I have submitted this form 67 and click unread. IP is this is the contact form. So when we click view, also show the view, you can print it here, print the entry, so you can print it or showing this is I put it status date, IP address this, user and this.